नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल फाइन, हैप्पी इन हाउस, गुड. टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट आवर न्यू लेसन, मीनू की बकरी. ओके, मीनू की बकरी. मीनू इज अ गर्ल. In picture you can see na, Meenu is a girl. And bakri means goat. Bakri means goat. This is a small and very good poem. I'll read and I'll translate for you. Okay. रेशमी काले बालों वाली. रेशमी means like a silky. Silk is there na, very soft and very soft na. So रेशमी means silky. काले बालों वाली. काले means black. बाल means hair. So रेशमी काले बालों वाली मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली. So रेशमी काले बालों वाली मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली. मीनू has kept one goat. How was the goat? She is having a black soft silky hair. टीनू उसका चारा लाता. टीनू is a boy. Tinu is a boy and chara means for animals food. Animal food is chara. Tinu उसका चारा लाता and Tinu brings food for that goat. हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता. हरी means green. मुलायम means soft. घास means grass. खिलाना means feeding. So टीनू उसका चारा लाता, हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता. टीनू will bring green soft grass to feed the goat. जंगल में ले जाकर उसको खुली हवा की सैर कराता. Okay, so Tinu what he will do? First he will give green grass to eat. In picture you can see Tinu is a one boy and he is feeding a green grass. Okay, जंगल में ले जाकर उसको, they will take that goat to the forest. Okay, they will take that goat to the forest. खुली हवा की सैर कराता and in fresh air he will make happy to the goat. Okay, and in fresh air she will walk, she will feel good. खुश हो जाती बकरी रानी and that goat she will be happy because she is eating good grass, soft green grass she is eating and she is just walking in a fresh air in forest, so she become very happy. Next we will go for word meaning. रेशमी. रेशमी means silky. 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 Silky means रेशमी. काले. काले. काले means black. 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 Black means काले. बाल. बाल. बाल means hair. 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 Hair means बाल. चारा. चारा. चारा means fodder. Chara means fodder. I told you like animals what food they will eat, that is called fodder. Chara. Hari mulayam. Hari mulayam means green and soft. Hari means green, mulayam means soft. So hari mulayam, green and soft. Ghas. Ghas means grass. Ghas means grass. GRASS. खुली हवा. खुली हवा means open air. OPEN. Open. AIR. Air. सैर. सैर means walk. 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 Walk means सैर. Okay children, so this is your word meaning. This you have to write in your classwork. Okay children, next we will go for page number 55. Question answer. नीचे दिए गए प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. Answer the following question. This is in your book. Same thing you have to copy in your book also. Okay. Question number 1. मीनू की बकरी कैसी थी? मीनू की बकरी कैसी थी? कैसी means how. Thi means was, Bakri goat, and Meenu is the girl name. So Meenu ki bakri kaisi thi? How was Meenu bakri? Meenu goat. How was Meenu goat? In poem it's written there na. मीनू की बकरी, मीनू की बकरी रेशमी काले बालों वाली थी और है. ओके, मीनू की बकरी रेशमी काले बालों वाली है और थी. ओके, रेशमी मीन्स सिल्की, काले मीन्स ब्लैक, बाल मीन्स हेयर. सो शी इज हैविंग अ सिल्की ब्लैक हेयर. सो मीनू की बकरी रेशमी काले बालों वाली है और थी. एनीथिंग यू कैन राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. टीनू बकरी को क्या खिलाता था? था मीन्स वाज, खिलाता मीन्स फीडिंग. क्या? व्हाट. बकरी यू नो goat, and Tinu is a boy name. So what Tinu feed to his goat? What he is feeding? Tinu, what he is feeding to his goat? हरी मुलायम घास ना. हरी मुलायम घास means green soft grass he is feeding. So टीनू बकरी को हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता है. टीनू बकरी को हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता है. हरी मीन्स ग्रीन, मुलायम मीन्स सॉफ्ट एंड घास मीन्स ग्रास. खिलाना मीन्स फीडिंग. ओके, सो टीनू बकरी को हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. बकरी जंगल में क्या करती थी? बकरी जंगल में क्या करती थी? जंगल मीन्स फॉरेस्ट. क्या? What करती थी means doing. So what goat is doing in forest? What goat is doing in the forest? Why that Tinu will take him to the forest? Answer will be बकरी जंगल में खुली हवा में सैर करती थी. बकरी जंगल में खुली हवा में सैर करती थी. So that goat in forest, in fresh air, she will do walking. Okay. She will do walking in a fresh air. Same page children, your page number 55. Question number 2. कविता की पंक्तियां पूरी कीजिए. कविता means poem. पंक्तियां means line. Okay, पंक्तियां means line. Cues. So complete the lines from the poem. This you do your own because this is very easy. Same poem, what is back side, you have to copy here. Okay, turn the page, see the poem and complete the sentence. Okay, this one you do own. Next we will go for page number 56, grammar part. Okay, page number 56, grammar part. निम्नलिखित शब्दों के लिंग बदलिए. लिंग मीन्स जेंडर. लिंग मीन्स जेंडर. ओके, स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंग. स्त्रीलिंग पुल्लिंग यू नो ना, लाइक लड़का लड़की राजा रानी, यू नो. सेम थिंग हियर, यू हैव टू चेंज द जेंडर. नौकर, न पे औ की मात्रा, नौ क र. नौकर. नौकर मीन्स सर्वेंट. नौकर मीन्स सर्वेंट. व्हाट विल बी अपोजिट? नौकरानी. Naukrani means female servant, lady servant. Okay, lady servant is Naukarani. So here Naukar is there, Naukrani and ra ha ki matra you have to put and extra ni you have to put. Okay. Maharaj. Maharaj means king. King will say na Maharaj. Opposite will be Maharani. All you know, queen. Queen we will say Maharani. So Naukar, Naukrani. Maharaj, Maharani. Nar. Nar means man. Nar means man. Nari. Nari means woman. So man, woman. Okay. Raja. Raja all you know, king. Rani, queen. Okay. Raja, Rani. Dev. Dev means God. Dev means God. Danav. Danav means devil. So God, devil. Dev, Danav. सुंदर, सुंदर means beautiful. Sundar means beautiful. Asundar, not beautiful, okay? Bad, not looking good, okay? Not beautiful. Asundar. One more round we will read. नौकर, नौकरानी, महाराज, महारानी, नर, नारी, राजा, रानी, देव, दानव, सुंदर, असुंदर. नौकर, सर्वेंट. नौकरानी, लेडी सर्वेंट. महाराज, किंग. महारानी, क्वीन. नर, मैन. नारी, वुमन. राजा, किंग. रानी, क्वीन. देव, गॉड. दानव, डेविल. सुंदर, ब्यूटीफुल. असुंदर, not beautiful, okay? Bad, looking bad, okay? Not pretty. So this is your this is your change the gender, male to female, pulling to striling, okay? Next question we will go. दिए गए शब्दों के सही विलोम शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. दिए गए शब्दों के सही विलोम शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. विलोम शब्द मीन्स एंटोनिम्स. विलोम शब्द मीन्स antonyms. All you know. Here some option they have given. In that you have to select and write. Dukh. Dukh means many times this word has come. Dukh means sad. Opposite will be sukh, not sukhi. Okay? Sukh. Dukh, sukh. Dukh means sad. Sukh means happy. Malik. Malik means boss, who is the owner. Malik means boss, who is the owner. Naukar, servant. Boss, servant. Okay, owner and servant. So from here you have to do naukar. Viswas. Viswas means faith. Viswas means faith. You are believe. Okay, Viswas means believe or faith. Aviswas. Aviswas means unfaithful. Okay. Aviswas means unfaithful. You can't believe that person. Okay. So Viswas means faith. Aviswas means unfaithful. Next is Ruthna. Ruthna means angry. Okay. Ruthna means angry. You are not talking with someone. Someone has not listened to you. Okay. So you are not talking. Ruthna. Manana. Ruthna. Manana. Okay. Manana means like sometime you are asking something to your mother or your friends or your brother or sister, but they are not giving you. So what you will say? Go, I will not talk to you. You are not giving, you are not doing, you will not talk to them. Then what will happen later? Either mummy is there, okay, she will come and she will say it's okay, you take it this, otherwise she will love you, or your brother and sister, they will give the things and they will. So Ruthna means angry and Manana means just they are saying okay, leave the anger and come, I'll give this thing. They are just making you happy. So Ruthna, Manana. नेक्स्ट इज दिए गए मंजूसा में कारक चिन्हों की सहायता से रिक्त स्थान भरिए. चूज द करेक्ट केसेस फ्रॉम द हेल्प बॉक्स टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. हियर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स some correct cases, some preposition is that you have to put. बकरी बाल रेशमी है. What is रेशमी है? बकरी के बाल रेशमी हैं. So you have to put there के. मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली. So here it will come ने. मीनू ने. टीनू उसके लिए चारा लाता. So it will come के लिए. टीनू बकरी के लिए चारा लाता. बकरी को हरी घास खिलाता. सो हियर इट विल कम को. बकरी को हरी घास खिलाता. जंगल में उसको सैर कराता. सो इट विल कम में हियर. ओके. इन दिस लेसन ओनली 2 synonym is there. Okay. हवा. हवा means air. हवा means air. Synonym will be समीर, पवन. Okay. Air means हवा. हवा, समीर, पवन. मुलायम. मुलायम means soft. मुलायम means soft. So रेशमी, नरम, all are the synonym for this. So children, whatever exercise I taught you, all you have to complete in your book. Okay children, this is our one word question. Okay, this is our one word question. After word meaning it is there na. So this one you have to write in your classwork. Okay, neat and clean. So your question number first, मीनू ने किसको पाला? मीनू ने किसको पाला? पाला means to whom मीनू keep as a pet. मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली. Okay, here I have written पाली because बकरी is a female. Okay, gender is स्त्रीलिंग. So I told you when we are using the word, if boy is there, आता जाता खाता. If girl is there, आती जाती खाती. Okay, so same thing here. मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली. Okay, question they are asking what she keep as a pet, because their gender is not defined. Just they are asking, maybe it can be a pulling or striling, but in answer it's showing it is a striling. So I am writing here, मीनू ने एक बकरी पाली, not पाला. Okay, so answer is एक बकरी. Question number 2, टीनू बकरी को कैसे खुश रखता था? खुश रखना means happy. So how टीनू is keeping happy to his goat? How he make happy to his goat? Answer, टीनू बकरी को हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता था. So टीनू what he is doing? टीनू is feeding his goat green soft grass. Okay, so your answer will be हरी मुलायम घास. Okay, टीनू बकरी को हरी मुलायम घास खिलाता था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, बकरी क्या खाती थी? बकरी क्या खाती थी? What that goat eat? Okay, what that goat eat? Normally goat what she will eat? Grass she will eat. So answer will be बकरी हरी घास खाती थी. हरी घास means green grass. So answer is हरी घास. बकरी हरी घास खाती थी. Okay children. Now your question number 4, बकरी को टीनू कहाँ लेकर जाता था? टीनू कहाँ लेकर जाता था? कहाँ means where? Where टीनू is taking to goat? Where he is taking? टीनू where he is taking to goat? बकरी को टीनू जंगल में लेकर जाता था. Okay, so बकरी that goat टीनू will take to jungle. Why he is taking to jungle? To keep him in a fresh air. She will go in a fresh air, she will walk, she will jump, so she will be very happy. Okay, so बकरी को टीनू जंगल में लेकर जाता था. He will take to goat in forest. Your answer is jungle में. So whatever one word answer is there, I have just underlined for you. So that only you have to memorize proper, and other thing it is in your question only. What is your assignment children? Read and write lesson 9. Lesson 9, this is your मीनू की बकरी. New words means your word meaning. New word means word meaning. Question answer. This question you have to write in your classwork. And one more question answer I have taught you, that you have to write in your book only, because question is already written there, answer you have to write. So both question answer you have to write. Okay, long question answer and one word answer, and complete page number 55, 56 and 57 in the book. When I was teaching you, that time only answer I have written in your classwork. Same thing you have to complete in your classwork. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.